from the ashes of Plateau, from the graves of Benue. One voice rises to Washington, come see what they deny. They burn the steeple in the night, call it farmer fight, while mothers dig for children under moonlight. Tinubu waves a paper, says freedom guaranteed, but the blood on the altar screams what the paper never read. 7,000 gone this year, the count keeps climbing still. Yet the microphone in Abuja says peace, be still. They label every cry IPOB, lock the truth in chains, while the cross keeps falling in the pouring rain.
Silence they convene in. They blame the victim, blame the voice, blame the ones who pray. But the genocide won't hide behind their wordplay.
Oh America, oh America, hear the Igbo plea. Come protect the Christians, or let Biafra free. Kanu writes from prison, ink mixed with tears and rage. Every letter smuggled out is another front page. They say he funds the terror, say he spins the lie, but the satellite photos don't know how to lie. Wawa Barack's secret sales, planted guns and planted fear, label every Igbo boy terrorist and disappear. While the herdsmen ride with AKs, security looks away. That's the Nigerian miracle they preach every day. 18,000 churches raised since 2009, yet the minister in Berlin sure everything is fine. They counter protest in DC, wave the green, white, green, but the red on that flag ain't just the stripe between.
If you really mean it,
send the thunder,
the shit go wild, break the silence, they convene it. You blame the victim, blame the voice, blame the ones who pray,
blame the ones who pray.
But the genocide won't hide behind their wordplay.
Oh America, oh America, hear the Igbo plea. Come protect the Christians, or let Biafra free. Little Esther lost her father to the machete blade. Pastor Docomo buries 50 in one mass grave. They told the army genocide, the general turned away. So the children sing to heaven and to USA. We don't crave your war, just eyes that see the slaughter and a hand that bars the door. Sanction the silent, probe the lies, let the refugees refugees breathe, or carve a line in the sand where the faithful can be free.
Blazing,
World arise!
see the smoke and flame.
Every denial is a bullet with the government's name.
IPOB, just a mirror, they won't face.
Hey, till justice rolls like Benue rivers through this bleeding place. Oh, Nigeria, oh, Nigeria, wake before you fall, or let the Igbo go and answer heaven's call. From the ashes of Plateau, from the graves of Benue, come see what they did not.